Well, there we have it, huh? Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. My name is Sandra, and welcome to my channel from Lack to Legacy. On this channel, we're all things money, investing, and mindset. In particular, how to go from a scarcity mindset to a mindset of abundance. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please stay. If you're new, then what you've stumbled upon is a learning community. We're a community of new traders, sprinkled in with some experienced traders, but always helpful, always happy to take questions. And the chat, I promise you, is so lit because usually we have visitors that stop by, they drop gems, tips, all kinds of crazy. So I'm glad you're here with us. I'm glad if you're here. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, do all the things, push all the buttons. You can't go wrong pushing the button. Set your notifications, all that other good stuff. And I think today we're going to look at SPY. Hey, sister. SPY, of course, I say SPY and look at what SPY is doing, hitting the ground. Okay, so wait a minute. What else did I have? I was thinking SPY and Ford for sure. Put some faves up. Apple. Where's Apple? Where's it going? Tesla. Just to see what happened, all the fallout. APL. I don't know where Apple keeps going. Anyway, SoFi. Okay, and we're off to the races. That was the bell. The bell just rang. And I was going to look at SPY today for calls. And look at SPY. What? See what Tesla's doing. Tesla got somewhere to go. Oh, Lord. And okay, well, Palantir looks like she might be off to the races. We'll see. But I'm paper trading today. So if anybody wants to paper trade along with me, please let me know what you're trading and who, if you're paper trading, if you're live trading, just let me know. If you're catching this in the replay, see if you can, jump on and paper trade with us from time to time. Okay. So back to it. Let's see. I am definitely just looking for some movers and shakers today. So I'm over here to market watch. It's a red day. So maybe I'll do some puts. I wasn't intending it. I don't know. My mind is going in opposite direction. But the truth is, you do what the charts say do. That's that. But look at how these numbers are jumping. Look at Tesla jumping up. Hey. Up or down? Wait a minute. Up 367? I can't tell. That's one heck of a red bar. 360. I can't tell. 360, 19, 360, 10, 6. What the hell? Oh, I'm just saying, look at that coming in like that. That's incredible. What is going on over there? Okay, let's see who else is hopping and jumping. But look how these numbers are hopping and jumping today. Let's see. Why can't I get Apple up here? Okay. I got Palantir, SoFi, and I think I might. Oh, Neo is on here. I was like, I think I might throw Neo on here. Let's see what Neo is doing. Looks like everybody jumped out the gate a little crazy. Where's my spy going? Spy. Anyway, I'll just put it over here. That was my intention. Okay, there we go. That looks more like what I had in. Well, no, that does not look like what I had in mind. But we get a bounce off of our RSI or off of the 200, and it looks like we may be. If we can get back up through these SMAs, who knows? Who knows what the day may hold? Who knows? But if you're in the chat or if you're watching, please let me know what you're trading today. If you aren't trading anything, why aren't you trading? I mean, well, the day is kind of crazy. I may not trade anything at all, but I'm in paper money, so we'll see. We'll see how the morning shakes out. If there's something that you want me to look at in particular, drop it in the chat. Drop it in the chat. I just figured since I'm going to be up watching, I might as well go live. And I'm only going to be on until it be 10 o'clock my time, so an hour and a half. I figured just look my head in, see what everybody is doing. You know, I'm nosy. I want to know who's trading. Is anybody? What's on in here? Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna just be rolling back and forth. I don't know what's going on with Tesla. Let's look at PayPal. Whoa, whoa! Look at PayPal off to the races. I wasn't expecting that. Although I heard somebody talking about PayPal. Chris Sain must have mentioned PayPal. Look at PayPal off to the races. Hmm. Say less. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we can do with PayPal. On custom, go to three. Oh no, that's the custom. We don't want that. No, no, no. Let's definitely get rid of that. We want to buy custom. Buy custom. I'm gonna change. Let's see, to about 60%, 60 some dollars. Let me look at this chart one more time. PayPal. I don't want this. I have to fix that in a minute. Let me look at this PayPal chart. Mm. I'm just looking. Hey everybody, hey Stephanie. I'm just looking at PayPal real quick. Okay, so we got that. Let me move this. I'm gonna set my trigger. I think I did confirm and send. We're trading paper money. So let me get this out of the way. I don't know what happened to my screen. Seriously. Let's see. I only want one cell. PayPal. We're in there. Okay, so let's see what PayPal does. I need to go fix up my chart because I can't stand the way that looks. Let me fix this real quick. Okay. Let's see what happens with PayPal today. And let's see, anything else anybody want to look at in particular? Because since I'm in paper money today, I am basically, I don't know what happened to my chart. Let me see. Anyway, I'll have to set it up so you guys will get a chance to see that again. You'll get a chance to see that. Yes, Chris said watch PayPal. I knew that was on my list. I heard it. I saw it somewhere. Yeah. So there you have it. So we're watching PayPal. Let me get over here and see. Monitor. I don't think I had any other open positions. Okay, so we made $33 in PayPal so far, which is cool. Let's look at this chart. You can take out 33 bucks and run with PayPal, 73.37, 73.38. Okay, maybe not. Maybe we'll let it ride. 73.38, 73.37. Did y'all see how that chart changed up? I don't know what the deal was, but we're back in business. As long as we're above these SMAs, I'm going to see how this candle closes and what's happening down here. 34. Tesla's just, I don't know what's going on. I'm telling you, I think it's some funny business going on over there. And who else looks like they might be up a little? What happened to Ford? Let's see what Ford is doing. So, oh, let's look at our money in PayPal because we don't want to give even the tiniest bit of profit. I think, What do y'all think? I don't know who's out there. Y'all think we should hold on to PayPal? I tell you what, let me look back over the time frames. And then that's usually how I decide if I'm gonna stay in a trade or not. So that's the 15 minute, kind of inconclusive. Let me look at the hourly chart on PayPal. Because to be honest with you, before I didn't pre-prep for PayPal. So let's see. Mm, maybe. Maybe if that RSI keeps creeping up, if it gets above 50, yeah. Let's see. Looks like we're coming out of this. Okay, if we get a green bar to come in here, yeah, maybe. I can hold on to PayPal. That's the hourly. Let's look at the daily chart on PayPal. See. Mm, 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 depends. Yes, if we, I can see we might run into a little trouble right here at this 200 at 74, 75. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. As long as it's profitable, 18 bucks a quart. Let's see, 17, 30, 73.37, 73.36. Let me get back over here on the 2 minute and see what's happening with PayPal. Hmm, I don't know. We can hold on to it. We'll see what the day holds. Oh, tell you, poor Tesla is fighting for her life. She is fighting for her very life. And anybody else? Let's see about Neo. Neo looks just like, okay, Neo. Anything? Hey, brother, how are you? That's my brother. Hey, Derek Moore, that's my brother. Hey, Shauna. We're looking at, y'all see what's on my watch list today. I'm looking primarily, I was going to get into SPY, but mm, SPY didn't start out the day the way I thought. Let me just look again. Because the chart was looking pretty good. I don't know. Let's look at QQQ. What's QQQ doing? That's crazy town. All of it's crazy town. Just leave it. Just don't do anything. So PayPal is, yeah, look at it. It's crazy town. I think we should just sit it out. When it looks like that, that up and down, and I can't find a clear anybody doing anything this morning. It's time to just chill. It's time to just chill and chat it up with my friends. Yeah, that's my brother. Hey, bro. Okay, so first of all, I need to thank Deborah S. and Yvette. They both scheduled their one-on-one. So we did one-on-one today, and I have another one coming up. So y'all get in there. Get at your girl. If you need some help setting up your Thinkorswim platform, if you just need a refresher on your indicators, whatever it is, to get you started, to get you off the fence, to get you to push the button and take those first paper trades or take your first live trade, whatever it takes. Just let me know. I'm here. Y'all see me. Apparently, I have nothing to do. It's a Friday night and I'm trading with y'all. So it's Friday morning for you, but it's Friday night for me. So, okay. Anybody got something you want us to look at in particular? I don't see anything. Y'all think it's going to be a put kind of day. Well, I don't know. Yeah. Well, what do you know? Oh, it's bright green, PVD. How come I can't see Apple? Let me go back to the chart. Apple is green, so let's see. Apple's rebounding. I don't know if they could stay above all these SMAs. Might be a good day for Apple 194. But that's weird. I can't understand why it won't show up on my chart. So I'm gonna take some of this stuff out. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I do not know. I don't understand it. Why my chart is hidden. Um, Part of my wish, watch list is hidden. I don't understand it. Detach gadget. Nope, that's not what I want to do. I want to expose my whole thing. Let's see, AAP. Yeah. Every time it pops, it's going to pop. I wonder if it's- At any rate, okay, Palantir, it's time for some puts. Oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it's bouncing. Look how it got down below 70 on the RSI. I don't know if it's gonna stay down there. I don't know. That's a nice little, let's look at it on the 5 minute. It's a nice little pattern form in there. Ooh, well, no Palantir. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get some Palantir puts. This paper. I don't know what PayPal doing. I'm not even gonna watch. Let's look at Palantir. Yeah, let's see. A couple puts. It looks like it's gonna be that kind of day. Hey, Trey, where's the anybody else watching this? Hit the trade button. Where is the options chain? Chart, analyze, trade. Hmm, that's weird. Hmm, okay. Hmm, QQQ. Let me get over here with y'all because I don't know what's going on. I gotta get my phone too. Yes, sister. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. I got you. Screen. We can't see your chart screen. Okay, got it. I'm on it. How about that? Thank you, sister. I guess I couldn't see my phone. I had it moved away because my boy was calling me every 5 minutes, y'all. Okay, so now you guys can see. Thank you, sister. Now you can see the whole screen. Okay, but it's acting up anyway, y'all, because look at this. Why is my volume all pushed up in there? And where is my all of my indicators? I'm telling you. Okay, so chart, and even when I go to trade, where is the options chain? I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's see. Okay, so we're looking at Tesla. Tesla's trying to come back. What about PayPal? That's where we have our contracts that we do have PayPal. Let me go up here to see. Market watch is looking like in the home screen. Okay. So PayPal is down $93 chart. PayPal. I just want y'all to see this. Why is my chart not showing up? That is weird. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Okay, let me look at Apple and see what Apple's doing. This might be a shorter session than y'all think. Because if I can't figure out what my trade screen is, let's see. Why is it doing that? Oh, active trader. That's why. products. See, you learn something new every day. It was on Active Trader, and I don't use Active Trader. Okay, thank you. That makes me feel a lot better. I'm like, what is going on? Okay, that had me shooketh. I'm like, wait a minute, not a technical glitch. For real, for real. Okay, so it's really slow motion this morning. This is probably one of those mornings I would definitely not trade. I wouldn't trade any of this. I don't see anything. It was nothing on my watch list. Even our little PayPal, you know, isn't doing anything. Why again? Oh, that's why it wasn't a symbol. We, well, yes, there we go. There we go. Okay. Even PayPal isn't doing anything. Somebody toss something. Okay, well, we haven't looked at love. We can always go to love. Love is always up to something. Love and forward. It's a put kind of day, y'all. But I can't even really see a play. Although this is looking promising. So I might as well just chat with y'all. Hey, Lisa. Good morning. Good morning. I'm just fooling around, y'all. Look, I gotta be out of here by 10 o'clock because I gotta be in bed tonight. So I gotta get in bed soon. But oh, and I gotta charge up my laptop too. Okay. Hold tight, y'all. Hold tight. Talk amongst yourselves. I need to plug up my laptop because I'm about to lose power. Anybody trading today? Anybody other than me? And I'm paper trading, so you know, there's that. But honestly, I just didn't feel like the stress today, and I just needed to get on just to talk to y'all. So I'm gonna take myself out for just a second. I'm gonna plug this. All right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Hey Brenda. Hey Brenda. Brenda. Look, we have not picked anything. We picked PayPal. PayPal turned out to be a dog. So I don't know. Anybody got any ideas? Okay, and so it sold us out. It stopped us out too, because I'm sure we lost. I don't know how much. Let me look at it. Okay. How? Okay, so it stopped us out. Hallelujah. That was good. I'm scared to even look at it, but let's go and look at it. Let's go see how much. I think it was 147. What was the percentage? I said it for like I think 20%. I forgot what it was, but it stopped us out of the trade, which is good. We should have been in that trade anyway. Should have been in it. I hadn't studied PayPal or any of that stuff. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Um, and I don't have any like news or anything. I just wanted to come hang out with y'all. But I did. I started to say I wanted to thank Yvette and Deborah for scheduling their one-on-ones. We had a great one today. Deborah and I did ours today, and you already know. We chatted. We had a good time, but we got her set up and squared away. So I'm looking forward to the very next study session because I know we spent a lot of time this last study session on the on demand feature. But you all see the paper trading feature. It's basically just like the live trade. It's in real time too. So it's practically identical to your man, maybe we need to get us some PayPal puts. I'm not scared of puts either. Because the way she's dropping. So just so you guys know, let me see. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna buy custom. Buy custom. We'll do the whole three. We'll go the opposite direction. Since our calls didn't work, let's see if our puts will work. Um, I'm just adjusting. And now that's just to show you how to place the order, y'all, because there's so much that needs to go into it that I did not do. Like I didn't do any pre-prep on PayPal. I haven't plotted support resistance. I'm pretty sure I didn't because PayPal isn't something I normally trade. I looked at the delta and the theta, loosely, but none of the pre-prep work. But if you want to know how to place an order with an OCO, there you have it. You can always watch this on the replay, and then we'll see. Another thing too, when you're trading with your paper money, you notice I always get three contracts. It's always the same. It's usually the same kind of contract. I want to trade as closely to what I would be trading in real life because it should simulate real life. So I don't do any $5,000 trades, $10,000 trades because I wouldn't do those in real life. I want to look at the chart though and see. And I want to know why my order. See, I think they mess with me because they know I'm impatient, and I will go in and put in a market order. That's my grandbaby. God bless him. Evie, I have to call you later. I'm live. I gotta call you later, grandbaby. I don't know if y'all can see my grandboy. So PayPal. Let me go to the 2 minute. I'm gonna watch it on the two. I like watching on the 2 minute because it's not that much lag time. That 5 minute is a little laggy. It's a lot of time to go by before I get some information. So like, yeah, we missed that. So I'm gonna cancel that little ditty. And I'm not sure what it's going to do, if it's going to continue to go down or what. So and I didn't plot any price levels. So I'm just going to, we'll see. But yeah, let's see. It went on for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Who knows? Well, let's see what this one came in bright red and this one's continuing. Maybe I'll try again. Some puts. Let's see. That's cool. Buy. I'll do a buy custom. Three. I'll change this. Yeah. Let's see if we can get in again. And I guess it just depends. I don't know how market makers decide which orders they fill, which ones they fill first. Okay, so we're in PayPal. We've got puts this time instead. So we'll see what happens. We will see. We will see. Hey, it's seven of us in the house. Hey, y'all. Hey, everybody. Let me move this out the way. Drop if you're paper trading, drop what you're paper trading. If you're live trading, drop that in the chat. I'm nosy. I want to know everything. I want to know what you're doing. Okay, so we're hoping PayPal's price just continues to drop. And it looks like it's dropping like a rock. What is going on in this market? Oh me, oh my. But that's a nice little run. Okay, so now let's go peek and see what our puts are doing. Okay, so look, even our puts are down $7. Might be that kind of day. Let's see. I think it's gonna keep dropping. We will see. So we'll hold on to PayPal for today. And let's see. Oh, Nvidia looks like it's hitting the ground like a rock, ton of rocks. Look at that. I guess it was definitely a morning for puts. That's so weird to me. Because this was so green when I looked at it at first. But Apple, let me look at Apple. See what Apple's doing. Yeah. Apple's not doing anything. Yeah, this is definitely the kind of morning I'll be sitting on the sidelines. It's just too choppy. It's just too crazy looking. I want a very clear trend. I want either a clear uptrend, a clear downtrend, because I want an easy trading day. I want I want an easy morning. I don't want any stress. So I'm not going to do any more than what we've already done. We played around with PayPal today, calls and puts. So we'll see what happens. Um, Nvidia, that was a nice little droppity drop. Let's see, Nvidia opened at about 458, down $8. Can't be. No, no, here, 457, and it's down to 451. Because this says it's only, let me see. I don't know. I like that my chart is partially hidden. I can't see the headings. I don't know. I don't know what that's all about. NVIDIA 450. Look how fast these numbers are changing. I'm telling you, I don't like it when it does that. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, poor Tesla's struggling. I think it's trying to beat that 260 down, that low of 260. To be honest with you, contracts expired today. I think they're trying to shake those people out. They had those contracts expired on 221. I think there was a big, not 221, on 721, July 21st. It sure doesn't look good. It sure doesn't look good. Hey, everybody. I'm so glad you're here. You're just listening to the musings and the ramblings of a new trader. If you don't, if it's your first time here, just a little bit about me and my story. I started trading less than about a year. I think I took my first class about a year ago, and I took my first trade, I think, in October of last year. So it hasn't been quite a year since I've been actually like trading, paper trading or money trading. And I was struggling. I mean, like I'm sure most new traders do. I was struggling in that I was doing it by myself, and I didn't like that. I felt like I was learning in isolation. That's never good for me. And so I decided, might as well do a YouTube channel. Might as well just let the world see me learning this new skill. And so along the way, we've created a community of new traders. We come here. I mean, there's some folks in the community who have never invested before, who have never paper traded before. And then we have people who join the chat or join us in our Zoom meetings who've been trading, they're seasoned traders. So much so that other people trust them with their money. But they're kind enough to come here and drop us gems in our chat. So the chat usually is very useful. You can find information there. For sure, check out the community tab. You can always find something there of value, I hope. And if you join us on our Zooms, which are every other Wednesday, um, you just have to wait for the time because it just depends on where I am, to be honest with you. So I have to know what time zone I'm in. But I think I'm going to be here. Right now, I'm in Chiang Mai. I will be here for a while. I like Chiang Mai. We should talk. That's what we could talk about. Y'all, I love Chiang Mai. Not just I like Chiang Mai. I love Chiang Mai. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to have a problem here because the food, oh my God, the food. The food is so good. I'm just going to leave it right there. I don't even have to show y'all. But the food in Chiang Mai is delicious. It's just a very easy, soft place. I'm telling you, it's a very soft place. So if you're ever in Southeast Asia, you should swing by. Chiang Mai should be on your list because it's a great place. Hey, Ron. Oh, are we using screen names? Hey, sister, how are you? I'm so glad you joined us this morning. Okay, so that's Tesla acting a fool. I better poke my head in at PayPal and see if PayPal continue to drop because those were our puts. Let's see, PYPL. I hope it's looking like the rest of the doggone market tanking. Well, there you have it. Oh, we should, I think we might make some money on PayPal today then. Look at PayPal. Yes. Okay. So that's a decent recovery. 43 bucks. Oh, it's up to 48. Yeah, PayPal keep tanking and hitting the ground. What? I told y'all, look at Tesla. Tesla's gonna take out that 260. Oh Lord, it's a new low. 260.17. Oh, oh my goodness. We could make some money on Tesla too, because it don't look like, wait a minute, I did the levels on Tesla though. I can't remember the next level off the top of my head. Let me just look at it real quick. Sure, that's on the two. Let me look at it on the 15-minute. I just want to see. Oh man, I don't know. Let me look at it on the hourly and see if I can just eyeball it. Oh, there they go. So 260. Ooh, I don't see anything for a very long time. 233. Anyway, okay, let's get us some Tesla puts too. Why not? We living on the wild side. And I would normally purchase three because these are pretty pricey. Now that's the one thing I can say. Tesla contracts can be pretty pricey. But look over here on this, yeah, they're pretty pricey. So let me find one decent one. Okay, we'll do these by custom. Three. Since Tesla is insistent on chasing the bottom, we might as well cash in on it too. Okay, yeah, we won't give her that much leeway. I'm sitting here. Okay, so let me do this, and hopefully they'll fill us pretty quickly on these Tesla calls. Yeah, we're in there like somewhere. Okay, and just like that, we're up 159. Because you know Tesla about to pay for sure. Look at this. We're up $82 on the Tesla puts. Just like that, just by getting in the game. And we're up $75 on PayPal. But remember, we had put those, I had calls at first, so our total, we're still down 72 total fooling with PayPal, but hopefully she'll keep going down. But look at Tesla chasing the bottom, $157 on those Tesla puts. Let me get over here to the 2 minute, because the truth is we can cash out of here. But she is chasing the bottom. What the stinkity stink, 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 stink. I should have me some real Tesla puts in real life. 58.88. Let me look on the 1 minute. Don't do this. Don't do what I'm doing. I don't even care. Oh, I do have a 1 minute on here. I want to see what's happening. 258. Oh yeah, she's still going. Okay, we don't want to give back too much. Let's go check and see what we made on Tesla right quick. And you know, I will cash that out. 112, what are we playing for? I'll wait and see. Let me just look across these. Uh, mm, that might be. See, you snooze, you lose. Look at that. Just like that, y'all. I should have cashed it out. Did you see how fast that thing turned around? That's okay. I'll hang in there because it's still underneath all of these. So we'll see. It might be just a little pullback and then some more. 259.75. We got down to 258.88. I'm thinking she going for it. She going for the bottom. So we'll see. But yeah, did you see how quickly that turned up? I should have grabbed that little $100 because I think the highest it was $147, something like that. I should have grabbed those little pennies while we had them. But that's how fast it can go. I'm telling you, Tesla trades fast for sure. Stephanie, don't worry, I'm distracted too. I just really wanted to come on to be honest with you all. I wasn't really looking at anything. I'm paper trading. And so I need to make sure that I keep my YouTube hours up. So I figured I'd jump on here until 10 o'clock. So I got a little less than an hour left with you all. And so what we have, the only thing that we have in play, I think we got Tesla puts and PayPal puts. So I'm going to wait for them to get profitable again, hopefully before the day is out. and then I'll cash those out because I wasn't in it for the long haul, to be perfectly honest with you. We should have got out here. We could have cashed in our little hundred. I think the most it was 140 something. We could have cashed our little penties out, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna keep on just bouncing underneath here. That seems to be the order of the day. Everybody's on the slide. PayPal too. Let's see. Yeah, I think that might have been maybe just a little pull. I don't know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm watching this RSI. I like to keep, if I'm got puts, I want the RSI under 50. If I got calls, I want my RSI above 50. That's just, don't ask me. That is no spoken rule. It's just what I prefer. I don't know if that's, but it makes sense. So whenever I see my RSI creeping up over 50, like look at this for 2 minutes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's a nice little pull. We'll see. We'll see, PayPal. Let's get here. See, we're down $3. So somebody's doing something. Okay, there we go. Tesla's up again. Tesla's one of those fast trading stocks too. Yeah, I think it's just gonna do that little under those, that little bunny hop under the SMAs. You know how when the price is going up and it's doing that little bunny hop and it stays on top of the SMAs when price is going up. I think it's going to do the same thing with Tesla. I think we haven't seen the lowest of the lows. That 58.88. Let me see. First of all, let me get off of this 1 minute. Let me get back up here on the two. And then I'm gonna look at this across the yeah. I think we're gonna take that low back out. Yeah, we're gonna take out that 58.88. I don't think it's gonna be long either. So we should be able to make some money. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, so Tesla's up 20. I think I'm going to, okay, so look, it reacted again. It went right back up. So it's something about that 258.88. It wasn't able to get down there again. It bounces off of that. It's reacting off of that. I'm gonna take our 112 from Tesla because we can. Shh, look at that, y'all. Okay, I'm trying to tell you something. You better move fast. Let's see. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'm gonna have to stop talking and trade. This is why you don't. Talk. I mean, for real. We were really trading. If I was really trading, like with my money, I would not be chatting it up with anybody. It would be a candle lit in here, home dingy doodle. I would have my coffee. It would be quiet. I like to trade when it's, I don't know. I like to create the atmosphere of tranquility, zen. I need to be focused. I don't know if anybody else trades like that, but I like to set the mood. I definitely want a candle. I definitely, sometimes I'll put on some soft music because so much of trading has to do with mastery. For me, anyway, that's what I've discovered, mastery of yourself. Like, are you disciplined? Can you control your emotions? Can you make split-second decisions? It's a lot. And so, somebody, I think Stephanie was saying, I'm distracted with the kids. That's not the day to trade. If the kids are acting up, if the husband is acting up, if the job is acting up, if anything has you out of sorts, at least for me anyway, I found out those are not good trading days. My best trading days were calm. I could tell. It's almost like I could tell in the morning because everything was just like, chef's kiss. So those are good trading days. If I get up and I'm anxious, I don't fool with it. Lisa says, what do you use when doing, okay, hold on, wait a minute, I missed that. Your real trades. Does the platform have a trailing stop loss? Yeah. Lisa, I use, I always trade on Thinkorswim, and generally I use an OCO. Um, I set it as a percent. I haven't learned to do a trailing stop yet. It's one of my, I'm going to get to it because I definitely need that to be a part. Hey, see, Tim, it's been a minute. How are you? And hello, Mr. Walker. Look at all my friends. I'm telling you, I say this all the time. First of all, anybody who's in this chat is probably my family or my friends. Literally, my brother is in the chat. My friends are in this chat. So I don't have subscribers, y'all. Some people, they have subscribers. I don't have subscribers. I have friends that come by and hang out with me and trade with me. I have some really smart friends too. And would y'all please look at this? Who just jumped up there? Look at, okay, Tesla, I'm okay with you jumping up. I thought that was PayPal. I was like, PayPal, don't you do it? Oh, both of them. And y'all, we got puts. We should have got out. And maybe it'll be another opportunity for us to exit this trade since I'm chatting it up with y'all today. But at any rate, you all see this red, that pattern there. That would have been a nice little to the downside. Could have scraped up a few pennies with PayPal or with Tesla. So here with PayPal, I probably wouldn't have gotten in until it cleared these SMAs. But still, that would have been a nice little run too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Even if I got in on this candle, 70 to 77, I don't know. You could have wrote it down for $1 or so. That's PayPal. Let's look at Tesla. You could have got a little out of this one this morning too. By the time it cleared these, maybe get in on this candle and write it down from maybe even 263 all the way down to 258. We got in here somewhere. I don't know. We got it up to 100 and some dollars, and then I didn't get out the trade. Somebody was talking. Somebody had me distracted. See, Temp, it's so nice to see you. Are you trading this morning? What are you trading? If you're trading anything, I started not to do anything really. I'm just going to do these paper trades. Hopefully, we can put a little money in our paper money account today. And we'll see. Unless you all got some suggestions. Marilyn usually has something. I'm gonna go look at love just for kicks. Let's see what love is doing. Well, see, everybody's on the same thing. This whole now we gonna recover. Okay. It's getting chilly in here. Okay. That's the wrong darn remote. Oh, air conditioner. Okay. All right. Oh, and all month long, just so you guys know, our moderator extraordinaire, Marilyn, we're celebrating her birthday. I think the actual day is 2 days from now, Marilyn, if I'm not mistaken. I was supposed to be telling all her business, but y'all wish my sister a happy birthday. Marilyn is celebrating all month long. Y'all consider all y'all birthday wishes and birthday love because everybody in the world knows Marilyn is a real glue around here. Marilyn wakes me up. Marilyn reminds me to send out all of the invites and just everything. If it wasn't for Marilyn, I'm telling y'all, most of the time I would be looking at a blank screen because, I am on the opposite side of the world. So while it is 9 a.m. for some of you all, 8 a.m., 10 a.m., it is 9 p.m. for me. And I've been up. Y'all know I'm an early riser. So I've been up since, well, not even that I'm an early riser. My grandboy wakes me up first thing in the morning. So I've been up a while. So I'm not going to be with you all much longer. I've got about 40 more minutes because at 10 o'clock, I'm going to bed. I still keep teachers' hours. But anything you all want to trade? Yeah, okay. So Marilyn's birthday is the 23rd. Yes. I wish my sister a happy birthday. I'm telling you, if you've been here 5 minutes, you already know. Y'all already know Marilyn is the glue to this show. She runs it. She keeps me on my toes. Okay, let's see what's happening here with CL. This is Carnival Cruise Line. Yeah. Let's look at Carnival. I think everything is just up and down this morning. Let me look up. Yeah, it's a mixed bag of nuts. It looks like everybody's turning green. Let's I wonder if Tesla's gonna be able to recover at all. Ooh, that was such a nasty drop. Oh my God. Let's see. I'm gonna peek in. I don't even want to peek in at our money. I don't even want to pee. See, this is why you should get out. I'm afraid I'm not setting a good example today, but no, no, I told y'all when I got on tonight. We'll see. We'll see. But we had the best class on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we did paper trading. Actually, we didn't even get to paper trading. We did the on-demand feature on Thinkorswim. And the on-demand feature allows you to back test. To be honest with you, I think I like it better than even the paper trading feature because the paper trading feature on Thinkorswim, you can only execute an order during regular trading hours. So when we have our class, it's generally after the trading stuff. We do it in the evening. And so we can do everything, we can set up our indicators, we can do all the things. We can do all the tabs across the top, but we can't actually execute an order. So, hey Steph, in the I figured we would use the on demand. And so I don't think you can get to the let me look over here. I think you can only get to the on demand feature from your live trading. But on your live trading screen is up here in the corner. And I'm telling you that on-demand feature is powerful because you can go back in time and practice your entry. Like look at all the indicators, and practice your entry and practice your exit. You can replay it, a trade over and over again, see how much money you would have gotten in at a particular time and gotten out. So I encourage you, use the on-demand button and do some it's still simulated trading, but it's just not in real time. And another thing, when you do that one, when you do the on-demand feature, it doesn't give you like the most recent previous days. So if you're trying to back test, and let's say it's Tuesday, you probably aren't going to have the trading data from that Monday, that Friday, and Thursday. It looks like it's about 4 days, 4-day delay. I guess they have to upload all of that information. I'm not sure how it works, but yeah, there's that. Mhm. So try it. Don't be afraid. Try the on-demand button. Or you can do like I'm doing the simulated the paper trading, which you can do during actual trading hours. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we had put with PayPal and she did this little upswing thing. So looks like we'll see. We'll see if we can get it back down. We're down $87, which isn't bad. We're down $27.52 we're down $52, $45 on Tesla, $37. Yeah, I'm telling you, Tesla can turn around in a heartbeat. That's the one thing about it. You can make a lot of money on Tesla, but you can also lose money. So you want to make sure you get the direction right. You want to make sure you get your entry right. And like we had all of that, but I didn't exit on time. Want to know if I'm talking to y'all? I saw that 58.88 low in there. We should have been out of there. But who knows? It may retest that bottom. It may go down. We'll see. If it does, then I'm out. So we'll settle with $130 out of Tesla. Don't be greedy. I remember when I first started trading, Marilyn would be on the sideline saying, Sandra, no FOMO, no FOMO. Oh, I was so reactionary in the beginning, and that's just a part of it. And so now I am not nearly as emotional about it because I always know it's going to be another trade. You might be down a little bit today, but slow and steady, you'll get there. So I don't, now if I'm down on a trade, it doesn't shake me or rattle me the way it used to. Because the market will be open. Just keep your losses something reasonable. See, 60 and 33. Let's see. Look at Tesla, just like that. 159.88, 159.73. I wanna look at Apple. Yeah. Mhm. Oh, looks like she's testing this 200. Y'all see that? And right down here at our RSI, very near 30. Let's see if she breaks through that. Man, man, it's that kind of day. Anybody know a winner? I know it. Listen, there is a way, like I'm gonna add another watch list because I don't like the way that watch list is cut out. And there's a way that you can pick like they call them lovers and losers. And so we could do that, or there's like the top 10, yeah, top 10 gains in the NASDAQ. Let's see. Who's doing what? Anything we recognize? What's this? Right. Tie this to there. Oh, Scholastic. What? Oh, no. Hmm. I wonder what's going on with Scholastic. It was up. I don't have oh, this one. I haven't customized this. It went up $5. And what's this? MATX. Look at that. Ooh. It looks like I don't even know what MATX is. But this is what you're looking for. So if anybody wants to know, this is something when you see this, you're like, yes, that's an easy morning right there. That's a nice, easy, clean up trend. No guesswork here. SMA spread out wide. We love when the TTM squeeze looks like this. All of this, all overbought. MACD, all green. That's an easy one. Easy, easy, easy breezy peasy. I just don't know what that is, and it's not like something that I would trade. Oh Lord, and it's still going up 92. Let me put the stuff on this that I need to. But this is what I wanted to show you on your watch list. You can screen for like the top 10 gainers, the top 10 losses. So let's see who's the top 10 losers in the NASDAQ. Okay, and then we have it. Ladies, who is down? But at any rate, so you can screen right from your watch list, social sentiment, all of this. So go through it, play with it. By industry, you can do that way. We could look at industrials, consumer discretion. That's the 11 different um, sectors. So you've heard of sector rotation, where generally when the economy is really bad, they'll tell you that healthcare and I want to say it's consumer discretionary or consumer staples. Consumer staples will generally do better. And so you want to study that too, cyclicals, because some time of the year, just quite naturally, some sectors are doing better. So that will impact, price action. You want every edge you can get, in other words. You want every it's Matson Inc. Okay, Marilyn, thank you. Okay, let me get back over here to something we recognize. So I'm gonna clean out this chart. I'm gonna go back to my personal. Let's see, my first. Okay, cool. Wow, look at that. How about blood in the street? I'm gonna customize this because I like to have the ATR on here, customize. I don't necessarily like the bid or the ask on my chart, but I do like to have the ATR, which is the average trading range. And I like to have percent change and net change. I think the percent sign, net percent change and net change. That's what I like to have on my watch list. And I like the ATR because it tells me like what the average amount a move would be. Whoa. Is Finger Hut? FNGR? I don't know. Okay. So everybody's down. Everybody is red. Meta is down 1.4%. Amazon's down 1 full percent. QQQ is down. I'm gonna move my watches up a little. And this one, I'm gonna move it up just because I want to be able to see. And I don't necessarily, I'm not watching my Trader TV tonight, but good traders trade with the news on. Now, did you see how that popped down? That's what I wanted to see. Okay, so SPY is the only one that's green. Nothing is green except for SPY and NEO. Pepsi is up $2. So it's a put kind of day. That's all. Market watch. It's pretty red. It's a put kind of day. So I guess that's all we're gonna do is look for some puts. Is owned and operated transportation service company headquartered in Honolulu, leader in Pacific shipping since 1882. Well, they having a heck of a day today, whoever they are. They having one. Okay. Percent change. I'm gonna get rid of this watch list here because I've got one here. And I'm gonna get rid of this Trader TV because I already have one. Okay, this is looking much better. This is looking like something I could work with. Yes. There you go. Okay. Now I can start taking stuff off. So you all see. Is it Schwab? Yeah, this is the Schwab ETF. It's up. It's green. It's got a green day. Okay. That's interesting. Pepsi. BA is Bank of America. SPY. Tesla, Netflix, Love. Trying to think. This all the biggies. Amazon, QQQ, Apple, Google. Okay, at least Apple is now going green. Microsoft is going green. Costco. Okay, let Apple and see. Apple is doing. And then I'll check in on our Tesla and PayPal puts in just a second. Let me put PayPal in here. P, P, PY, PL. I'll just okay. Yo, whoa, shucks. Look at Tesla. $522. Okay, we checking out of Tesla. We're gonna take this 450. We are out of here. I wasn't even paying attention. Tesla hit the ground. We're taking that. I didn't even see Tesla go down to 257. Why'd y'all tell me? We taking the Tesla money off the table. And wait a minute, let me go over here. What else? And even the PayPal. I'm going out of PayPal too. No, because we got some money, some ground to make up with PayPal. So we'll see. But Tesla, sure. I took that money out for Tesla, you guys. Tesla took out that, oh Lord, 256. We took out that 258 low. And so let me just go back and show you what we made on Tesla. Those Tesla puts, we made $510. We brought 3 Tesla puts, and we held them, I don't even know how long, not very long, and we made $510 on those. The PayPal puts, you know, I have to overcome that deficit that we had because I've got calls at first. Our calls went down, got down $147. So I'm gonna let those PayPal puts do what they do. We'll see. We'll give them till the end of the day. Or we really have some time on that contract. But Tesla was the big one. Let me see where they are now. 557. Did we get out in time? Maybe. Let's see. Because it looks like it's going up, but I don't know. Well, anyway, that was a nice little play there. Hey, my sister, how are you? Hey, Jackie. Girl, I see you cutting up out there in Merida having a good time. That's my sister from Mexico. You want to talk about the most generous person in the world? Oh my goodness. I'm so glad to see you. Yeah, she is in Merida. They provide vital lifelines to economic, okay, Guam, micro Indonesia, South Pacific, premium expedite services from China to South Carolina. Okay. Thank you, Marilyn. See, you all learn something. I'm telling you, the chat be lit. And they did pretty well today. So, or you could have made some money on that company today. So let's see. Is Tesla still going down? The low was 256.37. 256.78. I'm okay. I'm okay with our come up with Tesla. We tapped out at 510, which is quite respectable on the three that we purchased. We purchased three puts, and we weren't in there very long. And if PayPal does what it's supposed to do, we can make up. Let me look at PayPal. We can make up some of that money that we lost on those calls. So it looks like PayPal is still going to turn down too. We'll see. I'll hold on to them because if I'm not mistaken, let me look again how many days we got on those PayPal. We got 7 days on this PayPal contract. So we'll let it ride. We'll swing PayPal and see what happens. See if we can make all that money back. So far today, we're up 384. Yeah. And I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla made another new low. Oh Lord. Think it just did. Yeah, sure did. 256.28. But we're not gonna be greedy. We're gonna be grateful for our little come up on those three Tesla puts. We're gonna be grateful for that. And you know, it is what it is. Okay, let me look at Apple. What is Apple to 193? Mm, I don't know. I think it's time. I think you shouldn't overtrade. That's what I really think. I think once you make that money, you should be out of there. That's what I really think. And I'm not going to sweat too much about these PayPal puts. I'm going to just let those ride. Schwab and Costco. Okay. Check out Costco. I'm on it. I'm on it. It's on my list. Let's see. Is Costco making new highs? See, look at that. Y'all see that little? But that's a funny. That looks funny to me. I don't usually see them hop like that. Usually, you see them hop on top like this. That is a weird pattern there for me. I don't usually see them swing up like this above. They swing like that underneath. Usually they hop on top. That's different. I'm telling y'all, I am convinced that there's an algorithm. I am not a conspiracy theorist. I am not. But I am convinced that there is some skullduggery and some trickery going on in the market. I said what I said. I just think that, you know, I've watched some patterns some days and it's like that cannot be natural. It looks like an algorithm has taken over the system. It happened the other day, one day this week. I was trading and I was like, I have never seen that. That does not look natural. It was too perfect. So I don't know. So don't listen to me. Hmm. I will talk with you. I'll call you, Jacqueline. Or I'll WhatsApp you. Y'all, I got about 20 more minutes. And you said look at Costco and Schwab. So Costco is doing this little up thing. It's at a high of 562.05 today. I'm just gonna look back at Costco. Let's look at the hourly chart. Okay, we came from a low of 519. I don't see anything stopping it. And you said look at Schwab. Schwab is SCHD. Let's look at Schwab. S SCHD. Okay, Schwab. Let me look at it on the 5 minute. Okay, sister, look, I don't know. Maybe so. They hit a high of 75.16. Let's see if we can take out that high of the day. This 75.16. These contracts, I bet, are pretty reasonable. Trade. Oh, but look at this. Schwab, it's not a lot of contracts, but they're reasonable. Look at that. They're only $1. So that's like $100. That's not bad. Hmm. I never thought about Schwab. I never traded Schwab. Let me look at the chart. Let me look at it on the daily. 65, 79, 75. Yeah, yeah. Well, it's like it's been a long time. Let's see, since October 65, and it's up $10. That might be one of the reasons. It's one of those slow. It's like forward. Although you can still make money. Don't get me wrong, you can still make money, and it looks like, hey, Schwab might be one. I would swing Schwab. Y'all want sister want me to? Yeah, Schwab is looking good on the daily. Let's look at it on the 15. That might be one to swing. Okay, let me go in for Schwab because I've never purchased those before. Let's see. I'm gonna roll right up in here. Buy custom. I like those. I like the way Schwab is looking. Let's go for it. I wound up spending 300, 400. Not too much. Maybe I have to go back. They were 185, and I got three, so under $600. And I'm waiting for it to fill. I'm gonna wait for Schwab to fill. I'm not in a hurry. It ticks kind of slow anyway. And let's see. What? Wait a minute. It rejected your Tesla put on yesterday? I don't know what you mean. TD Ameritrade rejected my Tesla put on yesterday. I have to call you so I understand. Glad it's green. Sandra, I have to call you because I don't know what you mean. You're rejected. Let me get in here and see. Okay, so we got some Schwab. Did I get calls or puts? Let's get in here and see. Okay. So we cashed out Tesla. PayPal's at even, and Schwab's down 15. So PayPal's up 9, Schwab's down 15, we're down 6. Okay. PayPal's just playing around. I'm going back to Schwab. But Schwab for me is kind of like Ford in that it just trades slow. And those contracts are so reasonable, you know. You could really, that's a nice ETF too. Just let those cook too. Let's see how much time we got. I don't remember what how much time we got on those. Okay, yeah, so we got 7 days. Let me see these Schwabs. Oh, we got 28 days on Schwab. What? Oh, we can wait. Yeah, we got time. We got time for those to cook. That's almost a whole month. I didn't realize how they traded. I didn't realize on the Schwab. Look at the contracts on this. 1 day or 0 days to expiration, 28.56, 91. So those are weeklies or dailies. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Let's see what who's doing what. And let me get over here in this chat and be nosy. I wasn't able to place a put. Did you have enough money? Were you in your real account or were you in your paper account? Because if you were in your paper account, the only reason I would think that you wouldn't be able to do it is if you are spending more money than you have available in your account. That would do it. But if you had enough money in your cash account, you should have been able to purchase those. I can't, I'm trying to think of a reason why they would reject your order. I don't know. I would have to know more. I'd have to know were you in your paper account, your real money account. You were in your real account. Mm. Were you maybe spending more money than you had available? Because I know that'll kick you out right away. And sometimes, I don't know if you ever do this, but if you change like the bid and ask, like if you want to ask for like a discount, you can lower the price. If you lower the price too much, they'll say it's too aggressive and they won't fill it. I'm trying to think of other reasons why they won't fill an order. Certainly rejected. I would have to know like the contracts, the money. I think it might have something to do with that. That's what I've seen, but been doing this 9 months. So, but those are reasons I know that they would reject in your real money account. That if your bid is too aggressive, or if you are spending more money than you have available, that doesn't mean that's how much money you have in your account. It just means you how much money you have clear to trade with. If you try to purchase contracts that are more, it'll bump it out. It'll just reject it. Can anybody think of any other reasons why? Because somebody else in the chat might know more than me. Can anybody think of any other reasons why it would reject in a real money account? I can't. Right off the top of my head, I'd have to see it. Say less on that one, Marilyn. That Schwab, I think I might get me some. Perhaps I was too aggressive in my with the trade. Yeah, particularly if because you can adjust the price, like the bid and the ask. You can go in there and tinker with the price. It's kind of like asking for a discount. They may be on sale, or the contracts might be $150, and you may knock it down to 146, 147, and if they aren't willing to sell it at that price, then I've had that happen to me where they just say, no, your bid is a little too aggressive. Nobody's going to purchase that. You can't purchase those contracts for that price, that lower price. I would have to see it, but we need to talk. Okay. So let me just go over here one more time and check and see what we got going on. I'll show you all what we're doing. We're down 28 bucks. I don't know, not really, because the real truth is for the day we came out on top. So what we grossed after all of our ins and outs, $327. We closed out the Tesla. There were three Tesla puts. They made us $510. Schwab is down $37. Right now, PayPal is up a dollar. The puts are. But remember, I purchased three calls. I don't know what I was thinking. And we were down 147. So right now, PayPal's just doing whatever it's doing. And Schwab is down 37. All in all, for the day, we walk away with 332. If we were to cash everything out right now, just say the heck with it. But I'm not gonna do that because we've got 28 days on these Schwabs, mhm, and 7 days on PayPal. So no pressure, no pressure. I'm so glad you can join us, Candace. I am so glad. I promise you, I just wanted to play with y'all. Trust me. I didn't really even have an agenda or anything today, but I had such a good time in our Wednesday Zoom. And I did a one-on-one today with Deborah. We chatted it up. We had a good time. We got some work done. We did. And then I have another one scheduled coming up. So y'all call me. I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing but looking at these doggone charts all day. I looked, did my support and resistance for some, just some things I wanted to follow. And that's it. That's all. That's all I did today, basically. I need to go work on extending my visa, y'all, because I think I want to stay here. I think I want to stay in Thailand another month or so. So I'm working on that. That's it. Yeah, hey, Mr. Walker, thank you. All we do is talk money over here. That's it. That's all. And I wasn't even supposed to be on today. This is not even one of my regular days, but I figured I'd come hang out with my friends and talk money. Yes. So, our real winner today was Tesla, and I need to look at it again because if I know Tesla probably still making lows. Let's see, what is it? 258. Okay, let me look and see. No. Oh, yeah, it's back up because the low was 255. So we got out in time. We got out just before it did this little kickback. We made it out of there. We got the money. And that was an easy trade too, y'all. Because look at it, to be honest with you. For the first hour, Tesla tumbled. So let's see, there it is on the 5 minute. For me, I'm gonna take these out of here. It's easier for me to see the pattern sometimes on the 5 minute. 'Cause look at it. If you look at this on the 15 minute, it's you can see clearly what's happening, but you can't really see the pattern. So somewhere between that 2 minute time frame and the 5 minute, let's look at the three. I don't usually trade on the three, but yeah. But that 5 minute for me is the winner. If I'm looking to see if there's a pattern, the 5 minute time frame for me is like the sweet spot because I can clearly see, that it is under these SMAs. I can clearly see the downtrend. It gets really congested and noisy the smaller the time frame gets. Because by the time you get to the 1 minute time frame, I don't suggest anybody look at that 1 minute time frame. It'll have you manic. You'll be in and out. It'll have you crazy. So this is what the 1 minute looks like. Yeah, I don't fool with that one too much. I only go down there if I sense that the trend is changing and I want to get like a little preview, but I definitely don't trade on it. I mostly sit on this 2 minute time frame. I'll watch those candles come in 2 minutes at a time. I'll back up to my 5 minute 15, and even an hour just to get an overview to see if I really want to stay in the trade. Yeah. So I believe it. I think it's Black Girl Stocks has a video that's called the three time frame something. Check it out though. It talks about and somebody else, I think Oliver Velez has one too. It talks about the only three time frames you'll ever need to trade. But your time frames really, I guess the kind of trade you're doing dictates the time frames. So if you're doing swing trades, you're going to be looking at larger time frames. If you're looking to scalp, just get in and get out, you're going to be looking at the smallest of time frames because it's just that. If you're doing a day trade, you're going to be looking at, your 15 minute, you're going to be looking at some intermediate kind of time frames. So that makes sense. So I'm a day trader I mean, that's my preference. I don't want to swing trade. I prefer to scalp and day trade, get in and get out, make the money, get out. And so I will be using smaller time frames primarily. Stick with us, Mr. Walker. You'll learn, you'll get there. Keep coming back. We all started the same way, listening like, oh my God, what is going on? I think at one point anybody who starts a new skill is confused. That's par for the course. So do not get discouraged. Anybody who's watching, do not get discouraged. I am telling you, keep watching, just keep listening, keep looking at patterns, keep looking at charts, just keep going to that community tab. Eventually, the light bulb is going to go on, and you're going to be like, oh my goodness, I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. Because I promise you, you can get it. And it doesn't take much. Okay, so we still got PayPal hanging around here. See what she's doing. Okay, we might make a few pennies. Yeah, PayPal is gonna be one. That's gonna take some time. And Schwab, we got 28 days. We got all the time in the world with Schwab. I didn't even look at the Maryland. The only reason I don't really fool with Costco is because their contracts are expensive. Let's look at these contracts. Yeah, would you look at that? That's a $600 contract. Costco is just a little too expensive for my blood. Or I guess you could come down here to 300, 350, but still, that's so pricey. When we can get IWM contracts, and IWM contracts are reasonably priced, well, that's $100 less, 250. I was shocked at how reasonable SPY contracts were. I couldn't believe these SPY contracts were only like $300. Did not know. But look, it's all over the place. I would have tried to trade that today anyway. Sure would have. Yeah, Costco is expensive. I can honestly say I don't think I've ever traded Costco contracts because they're pricey. They're pricey. What's the other one? Broadcom. I want to say Broadcom. Their contracts are pretty pricey. So yeah, too rich for my blood. I know. It's not a Costco. I haven't seen a Costco y'all in a while, so I don't think they have them in Southeast Asia. I'm surprised I haven't seen a Walmart. Walmart is everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna take one last peek at our contracts, give you all the how to, the what to, and then I'll let you know what we're gonna do. Okay, so we've got PayPal contracts that are outstanding. We've got three. We've got 7 days left on those contracts. They're up $16. Big whoop. We lost 147 on those calls. So all in all, PayPal, we still got some time to go. And Schwab, we're down $37. We've got 28 days on those contracts. So we got plenty of time to make that 37 bucks up. And Tesla was the big winner today. It was a loser, but it was a winner for us because remember, you can make money going up or going down. And Tesla was in a free fall. So we got 3 Tesla contracts and they cleared 510. I almost missed it. I sure did. I almost missed it. Oh, sure. Wait a minute. Let me see. Is Tesla making the new low? No, I don't think so because I think it got down to two. Oh, yeah, it got down to 255. So it's at 258. Yeah. Ooh, that was a nasty tumble. That was a nasty tumble. I wish we had gotten in at the beginning of the day, but I had no clue. Look at that. Oliver Velez talks about a three push. Either three pushes up or three pushes down. And look at this. One push, pull back, two push, pull back, three push, pull back. Isn't that something? One, two, three. And you'll see that in threes. And now it looks like it's going back up. Yep, if it makes that strong with those big candles, that power and that momentum down, and then it will pull back in the second, you could just about bet a third is coming. And the same is true for when it does an up, but really you get to see it when they come down. So I hope you all picked up something today. I hope you picked up something. I hope something clicked for you. If not, you all know how to find me. Come, make an appointment, get yourself a one-on-one, get in here, let's get your stuff set up. So that when I'm talking, you can be following along, or when we're doing these really quick trades or practice trades or paper trades, you can get in on the get in. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock. Y'all know what I'm gonna do. We cashed out the Tesla things. I'm gonna hold on to Schwab. I'm going to hold on to PayPal. And then the next time we get together, we can check on those. Because I'll definitely see you all before 7 days is up. And the Schwab contracts have 28 days on them. So I'll definitely see y'all. God willing, in the crypto rise. Sister, thank you, Marilyn. Do birthday things, more birthday shenanigans, please. Everybody, don't forget like, subscribe, share, and turn on your notifications. I've explained to you all about why notifications are important. But if you can hear me, you have the sound of my voice, turn your notifications on. I'll tell you now, because when you watch through a notification, it signals that you're a return viewer, and return viewing is positive because it says, oh, they like the content enough to come back. So if you don't watch it as under your notification, I think it looks like a unique, I don't know, don't quote me on that. But I know for a fact that if you do it under your notifications, it looks like a return viewer, and that's a positive thing. Well, sis, enjoy your brunch. More sipping. Sip some champagne for me. Sip, sip. I'm gonna sip on this water and get myself in the bed. All right, y'all. Thanks for joining me. I will see you all next time. We'll live trade next week, and then next week I'll also drop the date and topic for our next Zoom session. I'm out, y'all.